tension between India and China rises increase anti-China apps in Indian smartphone users. Hey guys, you're watching my YouTube channel Dharmik Reddy Tech World. In this video, I'm going to talk about a trending app. The app's name is Remove China Apps. What is the Remove China app? Let's see what is the Remove China app in this video. Within 2 weeks, more than 15 million people downloaded this app across the country from Play Store. The best thing about this app is that it occupies limited place in your phone. It occupies only 3.5 MB. Now you would think, what's the rating about this app? The rating is 4.9. This rating was from the users. Currently, this app is available only in Android. In future, it will come even in App Store. Jaipur-based startup company One Touch App Labs has introduced a new app, Remove China Apps. This app identifies Chinese apps and uninstall them in your phone. You may get one doubt here. Most of the phones have inbuilt China apps, but this app cannot delete the inbuilt apps. This app is available from 17th May in Play Store. This app will uninstall all China apps in your mobile like TikTok, Share It, Hello and etc. So download this app and uninstall all China apps. So this is it for this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Dharmik Reddy Tech World. Jai Hind.